Good morning. Happy Wednesday. I have to show you something. I'm freaking out. It came in this morning and I'm super excited because I'm going to make them today and show you. Look at this. They're goldfish molds. I guess they're supposed to be for like chocolate or whatever, but I'm gonna make crackers. I'm gonna make my own goldfish crackers with minimal ingredients, no preservatives, and I bought 2 of them so we can just load up on some fun little treats. All right, friends, here we go. All you need is cheddar cheese or cheese of your choice. Grate it up into 1 cup, and you're gonna do equal parts 1 cup almond flour. I did add a pinch of salt, and I mixed it together with my hands just to incorporate all the ingredients. Put it into a food processor, bullet, whatever you have, and just kind of mix it up into like a dough consistency. I did add a splash of water because I thought it was a little too dry. And then I put it onto some wax paper, parchment, and I rolled it out with my rolling pin and placed the mold on top. Flipped it over and used the rolling pin to kind of press all the dough into each mold. At this point, I scraped in between each row and reserved the extra cracker batter to fill in any spots that maybe were a little low or uneven. And it did take a little bit of time, but it's so worth it. Okay, friends, so I just finished filling the goldfish silicone mold. And one of the things that I found is it was a little bit crumbly. So I think for the next batch I'm going to do, I'm going to add an extra ½ teaspoon of water just to bring it together a little bit better. And so it takes a little less time to fill. So we're going to take the silicone mat, we're going to place it on a tray, and we're going to pop it into our 375 degree oven for 10 minutes. Y'all, these look great, but be sure to let them cool before removing from your molds. Okay, guys, here's my crackers. And they're little, tiny, adorable goldfish. Look, you can see the cheese and everything. They have like a crunch, a little bit of a chew on the inside. They're delicious. And one thing I would change for next time, your kids already ate 1 full jar. I would do less flour, almond flour, and more cheese. So I love Parmesan rosemary. I'm going to make another batch, and I'm going to do fresh rosemary from my garden, chop it up in the food processor with Parmesan and a little bit of mozzarella. And I think I'll only do about ½ cup of almond flour to 1 cup of cheese and see how that bakes up. So if I can get those made and into a video, I will share with you. But these were fantastic, and the kids love them. So have fun. Enjoy.